Okay, here we go. First off, I want to say hello to Ricky, Maria, and thanks for taking the time to watch this video. Again, my name is Jeff. My company is Belanger Solutions, and the point of the video is to show you how to increase the value of your company. I'll be going over three key factors that are needed to rank your business on Google and increase the exposure, therefore increasing the value. So first will be content, then we have backlinks and citations. Now you can have the most beautiful website on Google, but without the right content and keywords, it simply will not rank and get you added exposure you're looking for. Many companies build beautiful websites but fall short when it comes to content and SEO, search engine optimization. Now, understand every time you type something into Google, every time you, as you're typing, are actually typing keywords into Google that they use to look for what you are asking with a website that best fits your search for the words you just typed. Search engine optimization. Makes sense? See, Google, blah, it's been a long day, crawls millions and millions of websites daily looking for content relevant to the keyword or words you just typed in the search, and then categorizes websites. This is how you establish rank. See, you want 1,500 to 2,000 words of content on your site, depending on your competition and number of keywords. When it comes to this, keywords and ranking, first you have the map pack. So when I searched auto repair Lillington, this is what I came up with. For you have the map pack, and that people listed here have really strong citations, but I'll get to citations in just a minute. And it's important to be here as well. Okay, when you first search auto mechanic, you end up with that, and everything underneath is where the ranking structure starts. So when you're looking for competitors and where they rank, not the sites like Yelp or advertising. So I know you don't have a website, so it's kind of difficult to show you that, but I can still explain. Yelp is an advertisement. It's not an actual ranking for a company's website. Then you have Total Performance. That is a company and the website that is a ranking for them. AAA is not. Your Mechanic, Find a Mechanic is not a rank. Locator Me is not a rank. Facebook, MapQuest, and then you're at the bottom. Most people don't go past the first page of Google. So once you find them, like your competitors, so we have Auto Repair Lillington. We can take a look at this page. Not a lot of content going on here. Also, your other competitor, Total Performance. We can take a look at them. These are really the only two that are on this first page that are ranking. So once I find them, I can put them into this tool that I use, Ahrefs. I can see how they are ranking and why, and compare them to see what you need to be just as successful if you were to build a website, or even more to put you on top of the exposure list. I mean, let's be honest, like I said, nobody scrolls past the first page of Google. So with this tool, I can see their backlinks. Backlinks is where one website links to another. It's like an endorsement for the website from another. Google uses that to build trust. I can see citations or referring domains. That's where your business name, number, or address that's shown exactly on a Google business profile. Citations is what I was getting at, helps you rank on the map pack. That's extremely important to be there. I mean, a lot of people search something near me, food near me, car near me, and boom, you get the map. And citations include, Yelp, Angie, BBB, Yellow Pages. That's also in the referring domains. And then once you see the business being referred more often than your competitors, you're more likely to bring value to your business and move up the rank structure on the first page. I can also look at organic words that they use. So, for example, Ron is obviously here. He's at the top of the page, 268 backlinks, 19 referring domains and keywords, whereas Total has 8 backlinks, 13 referring domains, citations, or 18 keywords is what they're using. And I can see what they're using. So when you come in here and you look at, well, what links are they using? Secure Critic, North Carolina BD. I don't know what this is. Not very strong though. I can also see, for example, keywords that they are using. Let me give my slow internet here a second. Yeah, sorry about the lag. Let's go here. Ron's got 268, 19 referring domains, and you can pick up all the same domains that they have, and then some. I can look at keywords. Let's look at some keywords and what ranks him. North Carolina inspection near me. I can see that that's searched 119,000 times. Or, yeah, a month. And this is all a month. So technically, without a website, you're missing out on 100,000. Yeah, there you go. I'm tired. You understand what I'm trying to say? You're missing out on that search volume if you had North Carolina inspection Ricky. Let's see, Ford. You're not Ford. You're not Lillington. I mean, you are Lillington, but not Lillington Ford. But you can get an idea of, let's see, air conditioning repair. It's searched 20 times a month. See, these are exposure rates that you're missing out without having a website. North Carolina State Inspection near me. All of these keywords you could be tagged into, generating a lot more volume and attention to your site. So once Google sees your business being referenced, it brings the value of your business and moves you up the rank. See, when you bring citations and backlinks, let's go, let me show you this. When you get your citations and your backlinks and they all come together and you start to outrank your competitors, obviously, you will quickly start to move up the ranks and increase the value of your business. And then that'll increase your presence online on Google search. And with increased traffic, it becomes more customers, more calls. And what happens with that? More revenue. So I'm not quite sure why you don't have a website. I'm not sure of that. I said, but with that being said, I just want to thank you for your time. I appreciate it. I hope you have a better understanding of how important it is to have a well-built website and what kind of value that it can bring to you. Obviously, and you're missing out on a lot of search there. So if you find yourself wanting any more info, I mean, we can talk. I can do some research, find out exactly what would be realistic for you or the business, and maybe get you some more exposure, bring some more value, have you right up in here, you know. So I just want to say thank you for your time. I super appreciate it, and I hope that you have a great day. And thanks again.